Innovation Transport Services Induction Training Program. As I'm sure you're all aware, the transport industry is becoming more and more demanding, and we need a way to stand out from the crowd. We need a way to prove to our customers that we are the best. And to do this, we need several things. Firstly, we need a professional team of internal team members to help drive the company, but more importantly, we need good professional drivers with good vehicles out there on the road, because after all, you are the face of the company and you are the person that our customers see more often. So all transport companies are not the same, and we need a point of difference. We need a way to stand out, a reason for our customers to say, I choose ITS to do business with. And this is the importance of this training program. I believe that the mutual benefits that we can gain from you understanding the components in this training program will mean that you will be busier more often and you will make more money. We will do this because we will keep our customers longer by giving them the service that they want, which will help us attract new business. And keeping our existing customers and attracting new business means that you will do more hours in the next 12 months than you did in the last 12 months, and hence you will make more money.
By the end of today's training session, we will make you familiar with the 12-point driver guidelines, our consistently quicker unique selling position, important environmental health and safety processes including our recommended lifting procedures, and finally, our emergency procedures. At ITS, our drivers are our greatest asset, so please pay close attention at all times during this training session. The 12-point driver guidelines. Guideline number 1, uniform. All drivers are required to be in uniform at all times while performing services for ITS. You are provided with 5 high visibility shirts at a cost. If you are found to be out of uniform, one will be sent to you and the money deducted from your next payment. You are also required to supply your own safety boots and wear them at all times. Pants or shorts should be predominantly navy blue in color, and please note tracksuit pants are unacceptable. We have put a professional name to ITS, and you, the drivers, are the face to our customers. We need you to represent our company, and being in correct uniform is a great beginning. You know that first impressions count. Guideline number 2, grooming. As well as being in uniform, your personal grooming is vital. You should be of neat and clean appearance. All apparel should be clean and free from holes. Remember, other than our service, our appearance is the only thing we are judged on. Guideline number 3, conduct. Always be polite and friendly to our customers. They are paying for your professionalism, and this includes common courtesy. Should you experience any hostility out there, please do not handle it yourself. Call the office and we will converse on your behalf. You can walk away and allow us to handle the problem. The customer is not always right, but they are always the customer. Guideline number 4, ITS branded sign writing. After successful completion of your 2-week trial, it is compulsory that your vehicle displays our ITS signs. This is so you're identifiable to our customers and to help promote our company's awareness. Guideline number 5, your vehicle. As with your personal presentation, your vehicle should be neat, clean, and tidy at all times. Before the customer meets you, they have already started to form an opinion based on your vehicle, so keep the standards high. Guideline number 6, your equipment. In line with the details you completed on your application, you should have all your equipment with you at all times. Each style of vehicle has a specific set of gear that is a minimum. As an example, a pan truck requires a trolley, some internal ropes, pallet chocks, and appropriate securing devices or locks. Not all vehicles are the same, but the specific minimum equipment requirements each of the vehicle types that you may drive can be found in the ITS Procedures Manual. Guideline number 7, run sheets. In accordance with the details described on the run sheet page, you must have in and out times as a minimum requirement. Every run sheet must have a signature and a printed name for each and every pickup and delivery as a minimum requirement. Every run sheet must have a description of the goods being carried. Be sure to fill in the details column. For example, if you pick up 5 pallets, write 5 pallets. Please ensure these details are correct. It is your legal responsibility. More details of the specific requirements of run sheets are also available in the ITS Procedures Manual. Please study these carefully. Guideline number 8, training. You'll be expected to successfully complete the training and induction program. This includes Induction Stage 1 and 2 training, a seminar on EH&S, Blue Card and LBA, and finally Identification Card training. Your safety and maintaining your high level of skills are very important to us. Guideline number 9, communication. Communication with the office is vital for any variations, i.e. delays, hold-ups, alterations and instructions, accidents and any damages to freight. Ensure to notify the office if you've not heard from us by 8:30 every morning, if you've completed your job and are sitting for more than 1 hour, or if you are held up on any job for any reason by more than half an hour. Our rule is we tell the customer before the customer tells us. Please also ring into the office if the customer requires any variation to the quantity of freight, the number of drops, the location of drops, or any other instructions that we have previously given you. Finally, damage to freight has a major impact on customers, and hence an excess will be charged for damages caused by yourselves. You have load insurance, however there is an excess if you are found to be at fault. Please contact the office regarding every incident of damage to freight. Guideline number 10, on-site. When you arrive on the job, please ensure that you identify yourself to the job contact first. Ready your truck in a position to deliver or to receive your freight. Ask if you don't know how. Secure your load and equipment, and ensure you get your con notebook confirming time signed by the customer. Upon completion of your job, contact the office and advise them of your start and finish times for that job. Issue the office with the times that are in your book and sign for only. Guideline number 11, paperwork. A copy of your run sheet is attached with all the other relevant paperwork and sent with an invoice on each Monday, with the exception of public holidays. Failure to comply with this condition means we cannot send our invoicing out and we cannot be paid for all the work completed for that company that week. This is vital. Return paperwork by 9 a.m. Mondays. Never, under any circumstances, give out the original copy of your run sheet. This must be returned to us. If anyone requires a copy, give them a photocopy, not the office copy. The blue copy is a record for you about what you have done, so keep the blue or last copy in your book for your own records. We process your payment 10 days after receipt and checking of your paperwork. Guideline number 12, time off. You are independent contractors, so you are free to work or not work as you see fit, but we need to know when you're not available. If you need a day off, give us 24 hours notice. If you are sick, inform us as early as possible, the moment that you are not available. This is even more important if you have been allocated a job.
In this next section, we'll be covering Consistently Quicker. Consistently Quicker is at the heart of our training program. It is the reason that we stand out from the crowd, and it is helping us drive a culture of excellence.
Consistently quicker. There are 7 main points to achieve our consistently quicker mission. Please learn these and use them in conjunction with our procedures manual. They are: 1. Arrive on time. If not, contact the office immediately you are aware you will be late. 2. Be neat and clean and in uniform and have all your equipment with you at all times. 3. Identify yourself to the contact person as soon as you arrive. 4. Ready your truck to be loaded or unloaded, in other words, remove gates, open taut liner for example. 5. Check your freight. The paperwork must match the freight and be the same as the instruction from the office. 6. Take the shortest possible route to each delivery. 7. Get 100% POD's signature, name, in and out times, company name and suburb, as well as description and quantity of freight. Your health and safety are critical to us, and lifting and loading your vehicle is a regular part of your role. So please observe the following EHS lifting procedure guidelines to ensure you prevent serious injuries. When lifting, make sure your knees are bent. Do not lift items that are too heavy. Do not lift items with straightened legs. This is to avoid serious back strains or other injuries. Get help from a colleague or use appropriate lifting machinery to prevent physical strain as required. Finally, our emergency procedures. ITS have a two-step emergency procedure in the case of an emergency. Step 1. Dial 000 or 112 as required on some mobile phones and ask for fire, ambulance or police. You will need to identify yourself and provide your location. You can make it easier to find you by giving your truck size, colour and the direction you are facing. Advise them if you're carrying a load and what it consists of and the nature of any injury to you or others. Most important, leave your contact number with them. Write down any incident phone numbers and the name of persons spoken to. Contact base once you have completed step 1 and let them know the steps taken and any person's name and incident phone numbers. Thanks again for your attention today. Please ensure that you read the ITS Procedures Manual, which contains further details and information on all aspects of the areas covered today.
This concludes the induction training program for now, but additional training components will be discussed with you and your operations manager in the very near future. So once again, welcome to the ITS team.
Innovation Transport Services. Consistently quicker.